Today we're gonna learn how to do use of a VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP with a real data set. Let's say we have a data set like this, as you are seeing in the screen. My first column is x, and the second column is y, and the third column is the call name, and corresponding call are there. So in my second sheet, this call and the corresponding water level are there in column B. So let's see, folder 59/2 their call at 0 chain as the water level is 2.5. I want to set the water level exactly from this data set into here. So in this column, no water level, I want to set the water level in this data set. So see, there is call 1, call 2, call 3, call 7. These call are not in this list. So I will pick up, let's say I will select this name to this data set, and it will search the corresponding water level and ultimately paste on the corresponding row. So that's my target. Let's do it. First of all, what you have to do, you have to type a function, that is VLOOKUP. And there are a few parameters. First of all, lookup value, which you want to look up. I want to look up this one. Okay. The second parameter is table array. Where I want to, from where I want to extract the water level value from this table. So select this. Column index. Column index is, this is number column 1, this is column 2. So column index will be 2. And the last of all, there is two statement you are seeing here, true and false. If you type false, then it will exactly match with this column, and then take the corresponding water level and paste in the first table, which is located in sheet number 1. So press enter. See, 2.558 here, 2.558. Okay, now just double click on here. There are some not applicable value. Let's check it, what happened. Folder 59 Amzadia call 2800. Is it really there? Actually, this call is not here, that's why not applicable, or null value has just appeared. Remove this. So we have just extracted from this table, and we just set the water level in this data set. So this is my water level. That's how we can use VLOOKUP effectively. Now let's check how we can use HLOOKUP. This is my another data set. In first column, there is column ID, length, and volume. Channel ID, channel ID 269, and the length, volume. So let's type the function HLOOKUP. Like VLOOKUP, there are also some parameters. First of all, I want to check this ID, which is named 35. I want to find out the volume, corresponding volume of channel ID 35. So what is my table array? Table array is this one. Select your table. What's the row index number? I want to check the volume of channel ID 35. So my volume is located on row number 3. You will provide number 3. Same here. I want exactly match, so type false. So you can type also true, then approximately if the value matched, then your result will appear. But we always suggest type false if otherwise unexpected result may appear. Or in some case you can type true as per your requirement. See, my value is 32,352. The channel ID 35 is the value is 32,352. Exactly same. So that's how we can use HLOOKUP. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.